Hello, David here with MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Behind me is a brand new 2025 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Sitting on a painted dual axle trailer. You can see the black hull with a horizon side color, bimini top boat above my head. We have the tieless fenders right here that click along the side. Sea deck on the swim platform, a 200 horsepower V6 engine. Let's get up on deck and see the rest of the boat. We moved up on deck of this boat. Right behind me is the bow filler cushion with a backrest. The whole front becomes a couch. There's an anchor locker up there. You can see the stone interior, the sea deck under my feet, port side bench. This will retract. Allow you to sit forward or aft. Of course, there's storage underneath. There's a cooler underneath the center back seat with plenty of room around the boat. Up on the helm, we have our Fusion stereo and our Simrad dashboard. This boat is on display at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down and take a look.